Hi, in this video we are going to talk about two methods to attack a client site. Then we will show how to protect ourselves from these attackers. We will see how an attacker can install a backdoor into an executable program when it being downloaded or updated. After that, we will learn how to protect against how to be protected against such methods by using some useful tools. Our methods are first one is using a fake update, and the second one backdoor downloads on the fly. In method 1, we are going to fake an update which allows us full access on a victim computer. This scenario will work anytime if we are the man in the middle. We are going to use a method called DNS spoof with ARP poisoning and using a tool called Evilgrade which will act as a server to produce the fake update. First of all, our victim machine using Windows operating system, and we need to know the IP address for this by using ipconfig command, and this is the IP address. And then the attacker machine using a Kali Linux operating system, to know the IP address for this we use command ifconfig, and this is the IP address for attacker. We used Veil tool to create a backdoor as we did previously, and this backdoor is saved in this path, and here is our the name of our backdoor, backdoor1.exe. We need to install Evilgrade. We did it before this, and then after installing Evilgrade, we should change directory to Evilgrade. After that, we have to run Evilgrade. After Evilgrade runs, we need to know the modules that allow programs that we can hijack to show the modules to see all programs that we can hijack updates from. Here we need to use DAP application. To configure DAP, we should configure DAP and then show options. We can see here from the options our agent here. The agent in the options is different, so we need to change this agent to our backdoor by using this command set agent and then the path and then our backdoor, then show options again. And here we have our backdoor as an agent. Everything is ready. Now we need to start the Evilgrade. Now after we finishing Evilgrade, we want to be the man in the middle by using MIT MF framework. So change the directory to this framework. Then we need to change the configuration of this config file. So we will go to and change the port into 5353 and change the IP address here into update speed into the attacker IP address to redirect the update into the attacker address. Then when we finish, save this and close it. After the file is updated, we will run the man in the middle by using this command, the man in the middle command, and then the target, which is the IP address for the Windows, and gateway that's changed to our IP address. After man in the middle is worked, we need we will use a multi-handler to listen to the port by using MSF console. When MSF console runs, we need to use exploit handler, multi-exploit handler, and then we need to set the payload and set the L host and set the L port and exploit it. Here we have all tools are ready to listen and install Backdoor in the victim machine. In summary, the target program is going to check for update using update.speedbit.com. The update is going to redirect it to attacker IP address because the attacker using man in the middle framework. MITMF is going to redirect the request to Evilgrade. Evilgrade will know where is update serving the attacker backdoor as the update. At the victim machine, run download DAP, download accelerator, then look for update. Here, update. Here we have a critical update. Update is done. After that, it's give an error message, but our backdoor is now is in the victim. In the attacker machine here, the attacker can see the backdoor is being used, and here we type sysinfo to see all informations for a victim machine.